How to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth Creta. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Maps to your Hyundai Creta's Bluetooth system. This will allow you to hear navigation instructions directly through the car's speakers, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. On your smartphone, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. And then, tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it on, like this. Step 2. Pair your phone with the car's Bluetooth. Start your Hyundai Creta and access the infotainment system. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and select your car's name from the list of available devices. And then, confirm the pairing code on both devices. Step 3. Configure Google Maps to use Bluetooth. Now, open the Google Maps app on your phone. And then, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Navigation Settings. Ensure that Place Voice over Bluetooth is activated. Optionally, enable Play as Bluetooth phone call for a better audio. Step 4. Start navigation. In Google Maps, enter the destination and tap Start to begin navigation. You should now hear the directions through the car's speakers. Optional, adjust guidance volume. While in navigation settings, you can set the guidance volume to louder for a better audibility. Optional, use Android Auto for a better experience. If your Hyundai Creta supports Android Auto, connect your phone via USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Android Auto. This will allow you to use Google Maps directly on your car's display. And that's it! You successfully connect Google Maps to your Hyundai Creta's Bluetooth system. Now you can enjoy hands-free navigation and keep your focus on the road. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.